What did you just hear? Well, don't feel bad about not knowing. This was Julia, a strange underwater sound scientists recorded in the Pacific Ocean. Although this is more than 25 years ago, nobody found a definitive answer. The sound was so loud that it was captured by multiple hydrophones thousands of miles apart. Some say it was an alien or an undiscovered massive creature. Scientists believe that it might have been an iceberg running aground. But no one really knows, and maybe never will. What do you think happened here? Write it in the comments.